Bonjour, c'est Claire at Lady French. Today we're going to practice QUE and QUI, and I'm going to give you a few tips and some practice sentences. Here's a little reminder about QUE and QUI. QUE replaces the subject of the verb in the relative clause. La femme qui chante est talentueuse. The lady who sings has got talent. Who's singing? The lady. So the whole sentence is about her and her talent. Therefore, you use qui. Que replaces the direct object of the verb. Le gâteau que tu as fait est délicieux. Who made the cake? You. The cake is delicious, but the sentence is also about who made it, not just about the cake. Here's your sentences with qui. Le chien qui aboie est dans le jardin. The dog who's barking is in the garden. So the question is, who's barking? The dog. So you need qui. La seule voiture qui m'intéresse, c'est celle-ci. The only car I'm interested in is this one. But we say the only car that interests me. So what interests me? The car. Therefore you need qui. Les enfants qui jouent dans le jardin sont mes neveux. The children who play in the garden are my nephews. Who's playing in the garden? The children. So you need qui. Le chat qui dort sur le canapé n'est pas à moi. The cat who's sleeping on the sofa is not mine. Who's sleeping on the sofa? The cat. La maison qui est à vendre est immense. The house that's for sale is immense. What's for sale? The house. So you need qui. Now here's your sentences with que. Le gâteau que j'ai mangé était délicieux. The cake that I ate was delicious. Who ate the cake? Me. Je is the subject. The cake didn't eat itself. So you need que. Le documentaire que Marianne regarde est intéressant. The documentary that Marianne is watching is interesting. Who's watching the documentary? Marianne. So you need que. Le cadeau que j'ai reçu vient de Paris. The present that I received comes from Paris. Who's done the receiving? I did. So you need que. Les fleurs que j'ai achetées sont pour toi. The flowers I bought are for you. You see how in English you leave the que out. You don't say the flowers that I bought. It's implied. But in French you have to say it. Who's bought the flowers? I did. So you need que. La musique que j'entends est magnifique. The music that I hear is magnificent. Who's doing the hearing? I am, not the music. So you need que. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking on the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.